Okay, everyone, so we are now inside the home from my last video of talking about fixing and flipping. And here is what we plan on doing on the interior in order to really make this a top of the line property. I'm going to just turn you around here so you can see what we got going on inside. So first thing that I see when I walk into a space like this is how gray everything is. And they also put a semi-gloss on the ceiling, which is a little glary. So we're going to repaint this entire place. That means everything from all of the windows, even to the shiplap up here. We're going to make this look so lovely. Second thing we're going to do is we're going to redo this entire fireplace, demo it down to stud, reframe it, get rid of all these sections and the hearth and the bottom, and we're going to make this super duper clean with a nice 5-foot linear fireplace that will be flanked with stone on one side, stone on the other, and then we'll go up with a nice black stone in the center. And then we'll put and hang a nice big flat screen panel TV there. We're going to be able to do that because we're going to move this support beam. We have our structural guy coming in and he's going to move that from there to right over here. So when you walk in the front door, which is right over here, and that door is also going to be brand spanking new, a lot more modern. We're going to get rid of all this tile and we're going to get rid of the railings, and this will be all nice wrought iron and beautiful stone coming up the stairs. You'll really have the fireplace as a beautiful focal point as you walk into this home. We will then go ahead and demo this entire kitchen. We'll be demoing all the bathrooms. We'll be putting all new lighting fixtures in. This will be right down to stud. And then our cabinet maker came up this week, and we decided to do some really beautiful cabinetry as well as vanities in all the bathrooms. We're also doing a nice high-end appliance package. So because of where we are, which is Arrowhead, we're going to do Wolf appliances. So we'll have double oven, we'll have an induction, big cooktop as well, Sub-Zero for refrigerator, for wine fridge, for dishwasher. Obviously, we're going to do all new sinks here. We're going to get rid of all this stuff and really make this lovely. We're going to be actually even closing this area off, and we're going to be adding prep area as well as your double oven and wine fridge underneath. Moving in here, this is the primary suite, and we're going to redo lighting in here. We're going to add a barn door to this entry. We're also going to shorten this so it's not so big and giant, so it gives a nice sense of privacy. This huge outdated jetted tub that doesn't work, we're going to yank out, and we're going to put in a gorgeous huge stand-up shower with a lovely bench, all glass enclosure. Of course, this will be all brand new as well, with new vanities, new mirror systems, all new closet system. You know, like right now, this closet is just absolutely awful. We're going to put in all California closets here, get rid of this door completely, and reframe that so it looks all nice. So another thing that we have here is this baseboard gas fired heating. And so we're going to take all these old registers out, and we're going to put in some nice new modern ones. It's going to really make the place pop. And because of the fact that we have this system versus a forced air system, this particular home is deserving of air conditioning. So we brought our air conditioner guy in, and so we're going to do all these beautiful split systems. So there'll be one here, there'll be one in the primary suite, and then there will be two in the 2 bedrooms that are up above up there. So we'll have a nice cool environment to work with after everything is all said and done. Next, we are going to rip up this entire deck because it's not done very well. We're going to take out all of these railings. Look at that view, everybody, by the way. Whew, boy, oh boy. So beautiful, right on the Sun and Alp golf course. There's some golfers right out there right now. And so we're going to put down new decking. We're going to do a nice new railing that's a lot more modern and looks a heck of a lot better than what we got right there. So lots and lots to do, but when we line everything up ahead of time, it actually goes nice and smooth. So we pick paint colors and everything ahead of time, so we really hit the ground running so everybody can start right away. So if you want more information on this home, or if you'd like to chat with me about maybe doing a fix and flip, or if you want to chat with me about how you can acquire this property when it's all done, give me a call. My telephone number is 970-445-8388. Jeffrey Clunan with Berkshire Hathaway and Mountain Luxury Group. I hope you guys have a great day. It's fall, it's gorgeous. Gosh, the colors are turning like crazy. There was snow up at Eisenhower Tunnel and over in Keystone and up on the Bald Spot in Beaver Creek yesterday. So it's coming, everybody. All right, thanks so much and have a great day.